Nowadays, this video is going viral. Watch this video first. It's going viral these days. This channel worked on this video and got 881,000 subscribers. They made this video using AI and monetized their channel. And I will show you how to make this kind of video free, A to Z. At the end, I'll tell you how you can earn money from this. First, check the description and pinned comment. There will be a prompt link. Copy that whole prompt. Go to ChatGPT, open a new chat.
Paste your prompt in ChatGPT.
Open new chat and paste new prompt.
And paste the full prompt there. ChatGPT will give you 3 prompts. Pick whichever one you like. For example, if you like number 1, paste it in the chat. ChatGPT will give you 3 prompts. Copy one of them and go to the Flow app. There, select Nano Banana Pro and choose the size you want. Then copy your second prompt and generate the images. Once your 2 photos are ready, copy the video prompt. Select Video, then select Omni.
Upload your photo and prompt, and this is a final result.
Iridescent ocean blue pearl.
Make your video on Veo. Upload whichever one looks good. We're talking about how you can earn money from this. That's why this channel was made. So you can make this kind of video, upload it, and earn money. Because this type of video is going viral right now.
Please subscribe and like the video. Please, I request to subscribe to my YouTube channel.